sit down to make a presentation and you're already exhausted before you even start. You want your presentations to look polished and professional, the kind that makes people think you've hired a fancy designer, but you're stuck fighting with clunky tools while your evening disappears. I partnered with Adobe Express to show you a better way. In this video, you will learn how to create beautiful presentations without the stress. So your next presentation looks pro, gets you noticed as the expert you are, and doesn't take your whole evening to finish. Check the pinned comment to try Adobe Express for free. You don't have to face a blank slide and wait for inspiration to strike. To get started in Adobe Express, from the homepage, we're going to select the plus button, and then we're going to search for presentations. From here, you can access over 7,500 fully editable presentation templates curated by Adobe professionals that you can customize in a matter of clicks. You can search for the different presentations based on keywords or using the filters here. When you click on a design, it will open up the pages within that presentation so you can see all of the layouts. And you can start to have a play around. You can drag and drop the slides around, or you can pick a different design. You can add extra elements by selecting elements in the sidebar and choosing from a range of icons. You can add stickers to customize it how you like. If you want to start editing the text, you simply select on the text you want to edit and start changing it. You can basically customize it until your heart is content. You will notice that when you go to edit a particular element, the menu on the left-hand side will change, allowing you to make the changes according to that element. So the text changes are here with all the things that I can do. When I select an image, the bar changes again, and I can see different options for how I can edit with that image. And it makes it really intuitive and easy to go ahead and customize your presentation. Instead of wrestling with the blank title slide, you could start with a polished 5-slide deck that's already structured. Just add your content. And if you ever hit a wall with your words for your presentation, Adobe Express has your back there too. If a line feels clunky or flat, but you're not sure how to fix it. So Adobe Express has a built-in rewrite feature. You simply select the text that you want to edit, and then here you can select the rewrite button here, and it gives you options to rephrase it, shorten it, lengthen it, or make it sound more inspirational, professional, casual, academic. I'm going to go ahead and choose comical and select generate. And then it gives you options based on the output for you to choose. So with the comical options, some fun things that you can choose there. And if you're happy with it, you can select replace. Otherwise, you can get it to generate more options by selecting this button here. Once the content's in place, let's add some polish, starting with animation. Animating slides one element at a time can take forever and still look off. With Animate All in Adobe Express, you can animate the entire slide in one go. This includes text, images, shapes, and everything you have on the slide. And it feels cohesive, no more second guessing. Once all of your content is in place, select the slide that you want to animate and then choose animation. Select Animate All. And from here, you're able to choose a style. I'm going to choose Glide, and you can see how it's animated the whole slide. Want that extra level of polished? Let's talk voiceovers. There's also the ability to add an AI voiceover to your presentation slides. Say you've got a quote or testimonial and want it read out loud. Now with your presentation slides open, you want to select add-on, and I'm going to choose AI voiceover by AI Vu. You'll need to follow the prompts to set up an account and then connect your account. Once you've set up, you can select from a huge range of voices, 900 options in 125 languages. I'm going to choose this one here. Otherwise, you can select See All to see the different options there. You have options to increase the speed and pitch. And then you can simply type your text of what you want the AI voice generation to say, and then select Generate Audio. And you can hear the audio generated and also sync it with your slide to adjust the timing.
We're excited to be here.
All right, your presentation's looking sharp. So how do you present it? Once you're done designing, what's the best way to present it? In Adobe Express, you've got options. You can export your slides by selecting the download button here in a range of formats. We've got PDF, PowerPoint and select download, and it will save it to your local computer. You can also choose to present it directly from the app. With presenter view, you'll see this screen which can have notes with your presentation, and you're also able to have full control over the slides that are selected, and your audience will only see the clean version on the screen as you navigate through the presentation. Now that you've got your presentations looking sharp without taking hours, what if you could use Google's viral AI Nano Banana to dress up your images, change your outfit, or even star in your own comic strip? In the next video, I'll show you how to use Nano Banana inside Adobe Express to turn meh visuals into magic.